Here you can see the process of removing the bird cherry bush, or known in Estonian as toomingas. Toomingas is one of those trees that all the farmers and forest owners hate, because it can reroot itself from ends of the branches or actually anywhere. So you can see that one toomingas fell down in my garden and it started to grow everywhere. But it has different bends and interesting spots I want to use in my stick craft. And I decided to collect all of it. So this is the first day's work, and this wood will be debarked because it's spring and bark comes off like a sock. After that it will be dried in the shed until autumn and turned into whistles, necklaces, stick craft and anything else that comes into mind. But cuts are done underground, and different weird parts are left untouched, so I can let my creativity flow later. This is the style of the videos you can see in my channel in the future, and I am called Snake Hill Homestead since I have this little home in the island of Taagö, and it's called Snake Hill. I hope to see you all in the future, commenting and watching my videos.